How to activate O2 eSIM card. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to cellular. Once you're in this page, at the bottom you can see the option of add eSIM. You need to click on it and wait for a while for it to load. You will see two different options, transfer from nearby iPhone and use QR code. Let me select use QR code for now. It will open up this page. You need to scan the QR code that you have it. Position the QR code from your carrier and then scan it. But if you do not have the QR code, simply click on Enter Details manually at the bottom of the screen. Now you will need to enter SMTP address, activation code and also the confirmation code. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Next at the top right corner of the screen. After that, try restarting your device and then your eSIM will be activated. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.